In this video, we'll go over 4 natural ways that can help you keep your bathroom smelling fresh, so stay tuned and keep watching till the end. Bathrooms are among the most used spaces in any house. Although small, they play an important role, and keeping them in the best condition is a necessity. There are several ways through which this is achievable. These include but are not limited to: Number 1. Lemon. Every homestead has lemons stored in the kitchen for various uses, whether for cooking or for other health benefits. Lemons, however, have another important role in the house. Due to its natural crisp smell, a sliced lemon absorbs all bad odor from a room and replaces it with the lingering fragrance we all call the lemon, or citrus fresh. To achieve this, slice a lemon and position the pieces in different parts of the bathroom. To make the best out of it, you need to replace the aged slices with new ones at least weekly. Number 2. Vodka. Yes, you heard that right. Your favorite drink could be your solution to get rid of bad bathroom smells. Vodka is a known remover for stale air, and using it the right way can save you a great deal of buying air fresheners. To achieve this, mix a measurement of the drink with 3 parts of water and use it in a spray bottle. To make a lasting effect, add several drops of essential oils and you will have a lasting freshness in your bathroom. Number 3. Baking soda. Placing a bit of this readily available product in a cup somewhere above the water cistern gets rid of the foul smell in the bathroom. This is because baking soda absorbs all the staleness and leaves your bathroom smelling fresh. You can also mix baking soda with water and use it in a spray can that can reach out to necessary areas like behind the toilet bowl and in the drain. Number 4. Essential oils. Oils that fall in this category are extracted from plants and always have the characteristic smell of the original plant. Using them in the bathroom replaces all the staleness with the natural lasting smell of the plant. Using lavender essential oil will keep your bathroom smelling like lavender all week long. Due to the oil nature in these products, essential oils tend to last for long, without having to renew a lot. To achieve this, dab a little oil on a sponge and leave it next to the drain or above the water cistern. While all these easy methods will give your bathroom the desired freshness, it is important to note that the best results are only achieved after the bathroom is pre-cleaned in the right way. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing.